Hi everyone, my name is Mike Hindy. I'm your new CISMA Coordinator for the Chippewa Luce Mackinac Conservation District, as well as Coordinator for the Three Shores CISMA. I'm out here today with Ken Kirchhoff from Northern Natives, and what we have been doing here today has been pulling knapweed and planting a few natives that Ken has supplied for us. And so today what I want to show you is how to dispose of invasive. So what we have down here is a plant known as knapweed, and this plant is easily identified by its purple flower right there. But if you don't see the flower, it can also be recognized by these leaves on here. And these lance-shaped leaves kind of look like the Boy Scout symbol to me. So if you see a plant like this, it commonly grows in sand. It's an invasive plant and it's allelopathic, so it does some damage to your soil. And so when we have a plant like this, to get rid of it, we just pull it and try to get the whole root. There's another one right here. You can see that I missed the root a little bit, but there's another one right here. Try to pull the whole root out, get the plant out of there, and then we take it and we put it in a black contractor bag. These black contractor bags are very tear resistant, so they don't tear very easily. And then once we have our invasive plants in a bag like this, we just throw it in the dumpster, and that's the easiest way to dispose of our invasive plants. Now, Ken's here today, and we're gonna have him talk a little bit about why native plants are more important to the ecosystem than invasive plants. So why don't you take it away, Ken?
Thanks, Michael. Again, Ken Kirchhoff, Northern Natives. Talking a little bit about native plants and why they're important versus invasives coming in is that the natives have been here much more long duration wise than the invasives. So they have a tendency to coexist with other vegetation. It ends up creating biodiversity, which is so important for all the different pollinators and the food web chain that is so vital for all the different creatures to succeed in nature. So the more biodiversity that we have in an area, the better off it's going to be. As Michael said, with the spotted knapweed, it's allelopathic. So what that ends up doing is creating a situation where it promotes the spotted knapweed proliferating and discourages other native plants like common milkweed, which you see here, or wild bergamot, which you see up there, from proliferating or succeeding. So to minimize this and to increase natives is going to ultimately make it easier for pollinators and nature in general to succeed.